The development here at Bonnington, we have 1 and 2 bedroom apartments, and we also have 2 and 3 bedroom houses. The development is a 50-50 split, so we have 50% affordable housing here. So in that mix as well, there's some social housing and shared ownership offering. So EPCA rating for us means that we're one of the top developers in the UK that are producing that at the moment, which is a great place to be. You can expect to find great space, high ceilings, lots of storage. We have PV panels as standard alongside with the air source heat pumps, which are great for energy efficiency but also great for the planet. We've got some great connections locally, so we have the local sports centre. There is already a cycle path which we're enhancing. We're also working closely with local schools and also the neighbourhood trusts, so we're really looking forward to the communities both coming together once we're completed.
I think the main feature that makes the properties here unique is the fact they're modular construction. So that means we've created them in a factory in Yorkshire. The UK needs around 300,000 new homes a year. We're aiming to produce about 3,500 or 10,000 modules a year from our one factory in Leeds. We have a rigorous quality control procedure in the factory, and the modules don't move from one station to another if there is a defect. The site here at Bonnington is our second site, but it actually acts as the precedent for future sites and how we want to design our schemes, using fully integrated, high-quality homes set amongst green landscaping, integrated into the community and the context.
We're enhancing planting around the site, bringing lots of wildflowers, for instance, as part of the planting programme. We're also, as part of the actual build area, we'll be putting in place things like bat boxes, bird boxes, swift boxes. We've got something called an insect hibernacular, bug hotel. We have bee banks, and also as well, my particular favourite is we're putting hedgehog highways in the development. So as part of the community hub, we have an orchard at the back, and then along the main avenues we'll be putting in fruit trees for people to enjoy. We are putting in place a travel plan for the site, and that will be in operation for the first 5 years of the development. The whole ethos of that plan is to push and promote sustainable alternative means of travel. So the good thing about Bonnington, that this will be the first site where we deliver net zero regulated carbon homes. So that's all of the carbon associated with the running of the home will be net zero over the period of a full year. And that's the next step on our journey towards net zero carbon by 2030.